was supposed to be giving you guys a hit of Yo, guys, the person is. You guys better watch this video all the way till the end because. Shoo. Heeelang batu bamuti So yeah, I woke up. I washed my hair. It's washed, right? Yeah, then I made a conditioner. So yeah. So here are the things that you will need. You will need mayonnaise, castor oil, MPL oil, a bowl to mix everything in, obviously, conditioner and shampoo, which we have already used. So the first thing you do, which I already did, is add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then you add roughly the same amount of conditioner. I just used my eyes to gauge it because I'm a smart girl like that. After the conditioner, you add MPL oil. So MPL oil, you add 3 to 4 tablespoons of it, not tablespoons, teaspoons of it. You do the things, it locks moisture in while you condition. And then the next thing you add is castor oil. Castor oil, you add the same amount as MPL oil, same purpose and for hair growth. When you're done with this, we mix and then we done. So here's how you use it while your hair is wet. So you shampoo, wash your hair. So after wash, you have your homemade conditioner. I might have made a little too much, but then you just section your hair and start applying. Then I'm starting to detangle. Okay, so you section into small sections like so. Then you start to detangling your hair. So you start from the bottom so you don't break your ends. White tooth comb. I saw they have this new detangling brush, but I'm not mad. So they aren't taking it like they have that, and I see it works really good. So start from the bottom and be as gentle as possible because this is your crown. You don't just treat it anyhow. So then you just continually, gradually go higher and keep, same motion. Until you get all the way to the top and you get all your hair detangled. Instagram channels. Okay, then I usually just put it on twist, just because that section is very detangled. So I'm gonna keep detangling the same section. And then you just repeat until your whole head is done. when you're done, put the plastic on, make sure and you can put a shower cap. You can put a shower cap. It's just so you put it on. You put it on for like 10-ish. You put it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you wash it out. You know, then we're done with this video. Then the next video, we're gonna continue from that step. Do you know what I mean? We have to pace ourselves. We can't take this relationship so fast. Do you know what I mean? Like, you have to take it one step at a time. So while this is you can go watch all my old videos, you can catch up on your YouTubers, you know, do what you do. I'm just gonna go watch YouTube videos, and I can't record myself doing that and waiting the 15 minutes because I use my phone to record. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, so it is 15 minutes later. And I'm about to take this thing off. So, yeah. So I'm gonna wash it off. And I'm gonna end the video here, guys, because I don't want the video to be too long and I want you guys to watch my next video. So obviously, I have to keep you on the edge. So after washing it off, guys, remember to seal in your moisture. So after washing it off, use any type of oil, but you know I use MPL oil because she grows for life. Seal the moisture in. So after washing, you dry with a cotton towel or a t-shirt. I use a t-shirt because I can't afford those towels because it's expensive. So you use a t-shirt, you wipe your hair. Don't dry it don't like over dry your hair. Leave a bit of moisture inside. Then seal the moisture in with your oil. Do whatever stretching technique you'll do. I'll have a video on stretching techniques soon. And yeah, then your hair, you're taking, you let it air dry because we don't want heat damage. That's not the type of content we signed up for, so we don't want heat damage. So you let it air dry, and then when it's dry, guys, it's gonna be silky, soft, detangled, jonga, all the nice things in life. So yeah, this is what I'm leaving you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share. Thank you so much for my first hair video getting to 1,000 views. I'm so happy and I'm so thankful. Thank you that you guys continue to watch. Like, thank you for subscribing. What? No. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna wash this off. See you guys in the next video.